Really inspired by all the young girls in middle school and high school kicking butt in math and science class, and against all odds just deciding that they want to be engineers so early on in life.
My name is Andrea. I've been working here for 3 years and I'm the EDU specialist for Makerbot.
My name is Sarah. I'm the manager of the electrical engineering group.
My name is Jens. I've been Makerbot for 1.5 years and I'm a visual designer at Makerbot.
Mi nombre es Ana Jenkins. Trabajo aquí en Makerbot en el equipo de Business Applications.
So my name is Rinko Mayashima. I work as a mechanical engineer at Makerbot.
My name is Cynthia. I'm an electrical engineer and I help design the circuitry for our 3D printers.
Hi, my name is Galaxia and I am a repair technician here at Makerbot. Been working here for 4 years and I'm one of the first repair technicians.
So my name is Jenny. I'm the HR generalist here at Makerbot, and what that means is that I execute on HR initiatives that keep employees happy, engaged, and healthy.
Hi, my name is Luna Mircha. I'm a repair technician and I refurbish all the Makerbots.
My name is Maddie and I work as a territory sales manager at Makerbot, working with the Northeast Territory in the education sector.
My name is Kira Anesia. I'm the drafting manager here at Makerbot.
My name is Jatna. I'm a mechanical engineer and I design hardware at Makerbot.
I'm Lior. I'm a software engineer here at Makerbot, and I create the software that allows people to interact with the 3D printers.
I'm Mina Lee, and I am the talent acquisition lead here at Makerbot.
My name is Chloe, and I am a web and visual designer here at Makerbot.
Hi, I'm Anastasia, and I'm a customer support representative, but I also help moderate Thingiverse.
The woman that inspired me is Jen Goodell. She has the widest heart I ever know.
So when I was taking some classes in school, we learned about Hedy Lamarr, and a lot of people know her as an actress, but she was also an inventor.
I'm driven by seeing more and more women in STEM areas and seeing the undeniable value that they add.
Okay, so what drives me is just being able to teach these students and teachers about this technology and kind of giving them the key to being able to create solutions for themselves.
I'm inspired by Frida Kahlo. She's a painter from Mexico and her life is just really wild and inspiring and just really makes you want to enjoy your life as much as possible and grab onto it and hold onto it.
The woman that inspires me is my sister. She was the first person in my family to graduate from college.
I'm really inspired by all the amazing female engineers out there who are just revolutionizing the technology of the future.
I am inspired by Michelle Obama because she's a badass and she also handles situations very gracefully.
Happy International Women's Day.
妇女节快乐.
Happy 国際女性の日.
Happy International Women's Day.
Happy International Women's Day.
Felicito Ziua Internacional de Femei.
Happy International Women's Day.
Feliz Día Internacional de la Mujer.
Happy International Women's Day, y'all.